What's going on, guys? GeoSnow right here with great news about the 32-bit iOS 9.3.5 jailbreak. Let me show you. I'm going to get straight into the information. You probably remember we talked about this in various videos of mine, including the one that's going to be untethered from Fried Apple team. But also we talked about a guy that works independently and is not working with the Fried Apple team that created this project on his GitHub. I have a video about this in which I talked in depth about it in the description down below, but it was updated a couple of days ago and I just wanted to see if anything changes, but for the moment it didn't. But I got the FAQ page of it in here, so I'm going to read to you what's going on with this for the moment. So it's claiming to be a 32-bit only iOS 9.3.5 jailbreak. A lot of the haters out here will start saying, iOS 9.3.5, what's the use? Well, the use is the fact that a lot of devices were dropped when iOS 10 was actually created, being it iPhone 4S, some iPads, iPod Touch 5th generation, and so on. These devices cannot update past iOS 9.3.5, and making a jailbreak for iOS 9.3.5 on these devices will basically mean that these devices will be jailbroken for life. Exactly what happened to the iPhone 4 with the Pangu Jailbreak. Now, of course, you can say that Apple is going to create a new version and patch the jailbreak. That's not true. See, that would mean to create iOS 9.3.6 for iPhone 4S, but then another group of jailbreakers will jailbreak 9.3.6, so Apple will need to create 9.3.7, and that would mean to support this device continuously. But they dropped the support and they no longer care about these devices, so making a jailbreak for iOS 9.3.5 is a priority. Now let's see the FAQ page of this project. We talked about it, but by the time we talked about it, this page didn't exist. So let's clarify what's going to happen. FAQ. I really love FAQs. So this FAQ should clear up everyone's questions. This also includes the most common questions being asked every day. Question: will beta 4 include the exploit? Because for the moment the exploit is not included, it's only the interface and some other code. And it says yes. My team is currently working on getting beta 4 out as soon as possible. Will beta 4 install Cydia? Yes, that's the whole point of the exploit. Next question, do you have to sign IPA with Cydia Impactor? Yes. This means that it's going to be a semi-tethered jailbreak, exactly like Yalu Jailbreak. We're going to talk about it by the end of the video. And will it support 64-bit devices? Nope, it will only be for 32-bit devices. When will the beta 4 that will contain the exploit and the Cydia be rolled out or released? It will be released on Thursday, March 9th. This means in a couple of days. So if this guy is actually not bullshitting, we're going to get a jailbreak for iOS 9.3.5 in a couple of days time, which is so damn cool. Of course, at the end of the day, we also have the Fried Apple team's untethered jailbreak that will be for iOS 9.3.5 and 9.x, but this one will not support for the moment the 32-bit devices. This one will be actually untethered, but for 64-bit on iOS 9.3.5. All the rest will probably be for 32-bit as well. So yeah, making this project is very important as this one will come faster. The Fried Apple team jailbreak will come during 28 and 31 of the March, and this one will come on the 9th. And will of course support some devices that were left behind by Fried Apple team for the moment. Is it untethered? No, it's not. Will there be more betas rolling out after beta 4? And the answer is yes. A series of them will be rolling out to make the jailbreak stable. Examples, no random reboots, resprings, etc. So this is very important. Apparently the guy is pretty serious about this jailbreak, although we didn't see any jailbreak related activity on his account. Probably he's new, or probably he stayed, I don't know, like Pangu in some stealth mode, but for the moment you can see that he says in here this will be a 32-bit only semi-tethered jailbreak for 9.3.5, and there are already supported devices: iPhone 4S, 5, 5C, iPod Touch 5th, and the planned support is going to be iPhone 4S, 5, 5C, iPad 2, iPad 3, iPod Touch 5th, the iPad 4 and the iPad mini. Yeah, this is pretty interesting. I really like the fact that he keeps the pages updated. The IPA already exists in here, but for the moment is actually containing just a few minor GUI interface changes. No, the exploit is not present, but it's going to be apparently in the next version. So that's going to be pretty interesting. Now, this is basically it about this, but anyways, I'm really happy to tell you that this looks promising, and fortunately it's going to be something good. At the end of the day, we also have the untethered jailbreak for 9.3.5 to 9.0 from Fried Apple team, if should this jailbreak not be real, but I don't think so. Yeah. What I wanted to tell you now at the end of the video is that I updated the Yalu Jailbreak fork that I created on the GitHub. This is my fork, Yalu Dark, and I updated the project and also the screenshots. I put some screenshots in here. This is the Yalu Jailbreak, but it has my own modifications in it. For example, a timer that tells you how much the certificate will last. It brings you notifications when it expires, you know, at the day 6, and some other graphical interface, for example, the dark interface in here and so on. If you want to check it out, if you have a iOS 10 device, the source code as well as the IPA is available right here. So yeah, this is basically it, guys. Pretty interesting news. I really hope this will happen. I cannot wait up until the March 9th to see this jailbreak being released. And yeah, till the next time, tell me in the comment section down below if it looks sketchy for you or if you think it's going to release it for real. And peace out.